Very nice. Yeah, it's very nice surroundings. So we will be Ocean City is nice restaurant also. So we will be going up. Yeah. Big lawn, going upstairs. Oy. So they cannot see me talking, guys. That's the secret, you know, so that they will not know that I am talking. So here we are now in at the Vikings. We have already the reservation. Oh my God, there's a lot of people waiting. There's a lot of people waiting. But we have the reservation, so we need to look at them. Lang ko.
Let's proceed to our walk-in priority number 2 under NSAO.
Good morning, sir. Kung may reservation diin Madrid sa.
May reservation na ano?
Oo.
Hindi ka naman pakita ng information.
Okay.
Information mo ba?
Oo, dali lang.
Yes, lang po.
Dali lang. Itang ka na ako nga. Guys, must be good place. Guys, must be good place. Yes, guys. This is Vikings, guys. We have the reservation for Mondano. Sa Subong. Pick up.
Pick up.
Oo. That's the place. This is
Leonora.
oh yeah, Leonora Mondano. 2,400. Our bill is 2,000. Oh, Stony! Can I, pwede ko turn around the place kag magpa-video. Bisan hindi ko magang dine in. Wait a while. My I'm on credit card. My fans wants to see the place. Stony, my love.
Double check amount.
2,400. Yes.
One birthday celebrant.
Yes. Yeah. I will show you guys the place. This is a very nice place. Eat all you can for. Pila gani ang per head, miss?
1,028 weekdays, weekend is 1,130.
1,028 weekdays and 1,100 for. Okay na. Ma-wait lang ko. Maulibot na ko, anay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Diri lang ko makakadto karon kung ano. Sige, malibot ko, anay. I know. I'm going around the place, guys. Then I'll show you the beautiful place of Vikings. Thank you, ma'am. So let's go, guys. Let's see the tour. Very nice place, guys. This is unlimited. You know, guys, you see this one? Oh, very nice. Cakes, chocolate, unlimited, guys. As long as you want it, you can get it. Good coffee. Wow, I love this coffee. Oh my God. I really want to come back here and eat, guys. See, very nice place, guys. This is I love the most here. The unlimited foods. They have the dessert heaven. You know, you can choose whatever you want. And that's the place there. Then we will be going to the main course. The main course is here. You can pick whatever you want. And of course, this one, the eggplant, roasted one. Where's the lechon? Yeah. Can see the one? Yeah. They are just, you know. This is the foods there. I want coffee and 2 of those low. Oh, this one, there's a lot here. You can get a lot of the foods you want to. How to take photos na. I don't know how to take picture. Sorry guys. I don't know. So I hope my